Yeah, I'm just trying to get some slaw ready for this privileged pork sandwich that we're going to be doing a little bit later. Cut them off with a slaw. It's pretty easy to do. I don't want that store-bought stuff.
Oh man, I'll tell you.
Shred it.
So you got the apple cider vinegar, you got some hot sauce, a little SPG, you got some crushed red pepper flake.
That'll be for, you know, it's kind of like a Carolina red sauce almost.
Oh yeah.
You can use it obviously for the coleslaw. You can also use it, you know, for directly on the pork or anything.
Yeah,
I drink it out of the bottle
sometimes.
No,
Yeah.
When I open the fridge up.
Yeah. This is go right on that sandwich, man. All right.
It'll be great, man.
Slaw. We got a spicy slaw. We got to put this together, this slaw.
Yeah. You're going to use a Carolina red. I guess you call it a mop, call it a sauce, call it whatever you want. Like I said, I'll drink it right out of the fridge. Honestly, it's so good.
Oh yeah.
A lot of times, a little bit of ketchup. It's going to be some kind of sweet, like a brown sugar, a little bit of oil, some red pepper flakes. You could put cayenne pepper in there if you want to heat it up. If you also, if you want, could all put this in boil it down a little, not boil it up, but heat it up a little bit to blend all the sugar and all the ketchup and all that. But in my opinion, you just need to shake it up a little bit.
There was apple cider vinegar going on.
Little apple cider vinegar, already had it in there. Put some brown sugar. Probably good enough. Again, pitmaster privilege, whatever you think.
Oh yeah.
We'll do a little ketchup.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna put this in our slaw, which you can't go wrong with it. The vinegar base, I don't know. I don't think there's anything better when you put on pork. It has a vinegar base on it. SPG, usually salt, pepper. SPG covers it all. Obviously, you got more than salt, pepper in there. And then we'll do a little red pepper flake. You could do more if you want to get it really crazy. Now, using one of these mason jars is just so much easier because you can shake it up. Now, probably let this marinate for a little bit, sit around. Probably, you know, this pork's going to be ready in hours. So put this in the fridge. We'll put the slaw in the fridge, mix it together, let it sit, let it meld. Pretty damn good.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Here we go.
There we go.
All right.
Yeah, like you said, you can put it on here.
Looking forward to that privileged
You can mop it on your pork.
sandwich, man. Oh man. Go.
BBQ Pit Boys for life, baby.
There we go.
Took this out of the fridge, let it sit for a while. It's our Carolina red mop sauce, but it's perfect. Coleslaw. Pour it in like that. Oh, you can see the red pepper flakes. All right, just mix it around. Same stuff you could actually pour this directly on the pork and your sandwich. It's fantastic.
All right.
Like I said, I keep on saying I can drink this stuff right now. Do a shot of this. It's so good.
Smells good.
That's all you need. You let it sit for a while. You could have put this in early this morning if you wanted to. Let it sit around, but I feel like it doesn't take long.
On my Cheerios in the morning.
Oh,
it smells that good. I'm telling you what. All right.
Good. All right. Awesome.
So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.